What does useEffect do? By using this hook, you tell React that your component needs to do something after render. The effect hook lets you perform side effects in function components. useEffect takes two arguments. The first argument passed to useEffect is a function called effect, and the second argument, optional, is an array of dependencies. When we have no dependency pass, the useEffect runs on every render. Having an empty array for the dependency array will run the useEffect only on the first render. When the dependency array has props and state, this will run the useEffect on the first render and on every prop or state change. Let's see an example of the useEffect without the dependency array. We can see that after setting the counter to increase by 1 on every 3 seconds, the components re-renders. When I add the empty dependency array, the useEffect is called only once. We can see in the console log that it is called once. Let's add one button that will handle the increase. When adding the counter state to the dependency array, we can see that the useEffect is called on the initial render and whenever the dependency is changed. Some effects require cleanup to reduce memory leaks, timeouts, subscriptions, event listeners, and other effects that are no longer needed should be disposed. We do this by including a return function at the end of the useEffect hook. This is a replica of the component will unmount lifecycle. When a functional component unmounts, the logic inside the return function will get executed.